Hello guys, in this video we are going to do 3 simple experiments from a periscope, a compost pile, and even making our own solar oven. So let's start. As a first experiment, we will make a periscope in which we will use an empty mailbox, 2 small mirrors, a protector, a ruler, a cutter, and a marker. As a first step, we will use our protector to mark a 45 degrees angle on both the top and bottom of the face towards the right side, and then we will do the same on the opposite side, but towards the left side. Since we mark our 45 degrees angles, now we are going to cut them to the sides of our mirrors. Then we will make some rectangles at the top, which will be where the sunlight enters, and one at the C bottom, which is where we will see. In this optimal step, we will have to put our mirrors in the side spaces where both can see themselves. Finally, this is what our periscope will look like. Here in the video you can see that it fulfills its function. In this experiment we are going to make a solar oven. To do this we will need transparent film, cardboard box, aluminum foil, paper plate, ruler or wooden block, adhesive tape, and a cutter. As a first step, we will have to cut a flap at the top of our box, leaving approximately 2 centimeters on the edges. As a second step, we are going to take our aluminum foil and adhesive tape, and we are going to line the inside of the box at the bottom part of the flap that we cut. The shiny side should be facing up. We will then cover the hole created by the flap with plastic wrap. Use tape to keep it in place. This will create a protected space for the food you decide to cook. And this is how your solar oven would look. You can use the ruler or the wooden stick to keep it open. The food you want to heat should go on the plate. For our last experiment, we will make our own compost in a bag. The materials we will need are food waste such as eggshell, banana and potato, 2 strawberries, a resealable bag, a straw, and a paper. Compost is decomposed organic material that can be used as natural fertilizer for plants. To start, you'll need to collect some food waste to form the base of your compost. Leftover vegetables, fruits, coffee grounds, and eggshells can be used. Avoid products like meat, dairy products, or processed products. Add food waste and paper to your bag. It should be approximately 60% food waste and 40% paper. Gently mix your compost by squeezing the bag. If it seems too dry, add water. The straw will help us to let air into the bag and prevent unpleasant odors from coming out. In a few days, you should have a rich, dark compost that you can feed to a plant. In my experience doing this video, I think the last experiment is easier than the other two. The solar oven is the most difficult of the experiments. The periscope is as funny as the solar oven. The solar oven is the most interesting experiment I've ever seen. The compost pile is the most disgusting thing I've ever done. Thanks for watching.